Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do research for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand William Hunt. William Hunt is a very famous brand from central London, United Kingdom, and their main business is making suits for gentlemen, and also some of the accessories like like boots, like hats, like shirts and things like that. And for the last 15 years or so they started to venture into perfumes, and they have few fragrances in their lineup, not many, probably all together around maybe 10 of them. And I unboxed and reviewed few of their fragrances before, and for the price they are very impressive. Especially if you like them gentlemanly, if you like them classy, if you like them mature, if you like them sophisticated, if you like them on the side of old school gentleman club, British gentleman club, this is what you get. So this one in particular is called William Hunt Savile Row. Savile Row is the name of the street that they are in, and the Savile Row again is very important. It's very famous street in central London that all of these shops, they make suits and bespoke and things like that. And this one is, I think they are on the, it says here 41 Savile Row, so they are number 41. This one in particular is called William Hunt Savile Row, and this is Serious Eau de Parfum 90ml. In United Kingdom retails for £125, but if you go online, if you're interested, go online, search it. In United Kingdom right now you can find it under £60, so they are quite discounted. But in other parts of the world you need to search it, Google it, see if it comes up and how much it goes for, if you can find them, because for some reason they are not easy to find. So let's start with the unboxing, but please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. This could be a hidden gem. And show me love, show me some support by liking, subscribing, sharing this video with others, and commenting. All these things will help this channel to survive, to keep coming back, to stay in this endeavor. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. So the box itself is very good looking, it's very classy, and it's a very thick cardboard with some nice embossed touch to it. What is that? Yeah, it's like a leather effect on it. Overall very pretty, very good looking in the eye, and very nice in the hand. And when you open it, it's like a gallery, and the perfume sits there. It's got the emboss here, and inside it is velvet, and the bottle itself sitting here nicely, which is very nice looking. Look at this bottle, beautiful. It shouts quality, shouts class, and although it's simple, but it is classic, it is classy. And the cap very heavy, and it's got the emboss of the William Hunt in here, and it's about 100 grams itself. Is very heavy metal, and the atomizer is gold and modern. And here we go. And the bottle itself, look at it, beautiful bottle, dark, but you can see through the bottle if you put it against the light. And here we go, atomizer. Whoa, look at that, beautiful atomizer. Although it's not pressurized, but it is almost there. Very good atomizer. So it clicks in the place and you can hold it, but never do that because you never know. So how is the William Hunt? Wow, it's strong. Ooh, goodness me, very strong. Okay, how is William Hunt Savile Row? And this is Serious Eau de Parfum 90ml. Let's go. And this is targeted for gentlemen. Here we go. Wow. Beautiful. Very gentlemanly, super gentlemanly. This is gentleman in the typical what you think of an English gentleman is the smell in here. It's very spicy. It's boozy. It's it's a little bit of earthiness in here, and also very woody. Bit of a sparkly feel to it. It smells like what do you call it? Pepper, maybe black pepper in here as well. But there's a big cumin in here. You need to like your cumin to enjoy this. Yeah, massive cumin. The cumin is huge. By far the biggest player right now is the cumin, but unbelievably beautifully done. It's just mesmerizing. It opened up a little bit of booziness, spicy, hint of darkness in here, not too much. I would classify this semi-fresh, maybe fresh to semi-fresh. Overall, it has got some freshness to it, which is coming from aromatics. Yes, very aromatic. I smell something like lavender, maybe even a violet leaf in here, and also there's a booziness to it. But the booze is not big; it's just a moderate booziness. But by far the biggest player right now for the first impression is that spiciness, which is a big cumin in here. Beautiful, very nicely done, absolutely balanced. It's just opened up, gorgeous. No alcohol, no harshness, no chemical feel to it, none of those. Straight to the perfume, and it's beautiful. It's classy, it's gentlemanly, it's classic, it's very it's just giving me the feel of up class. Okay, I'm feeling like I'm a gentleman in a club sitting and smelling cigar, although there's no tobacco in here, but a hint of smokiness as well. It's just a hint of smokiness. Boozy, definitely. The boozy in here smells like gin and tonic. I think it might be a juniper berry in here, because juniper berry, it gives that gin and tonic feel. So it could be juniper berry in here as well. Yeah, definitely juniper berry in here. So it's aromatic, it's spicy, it's woody. The woods are in the bases are very clean. I'm smelling something like a combination of cedar and sandalwood together to give it that beautiful, soft and very refined woody base. There's nothing in here is harsh. Okay, everything's refined, everything is balanced, everything's done perfection, and the perfumery in here is top notch, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, gorgeous, but this is not for everybody. This is definitely for a mature person, for people who like their classical fragrances, for people who like 60s and 70s perfumery, because it reminds me of that era. And also it is on the gentlemanly side, it is on the classy side, on the sophisticated side, on the complex side of things. So this is not for everybody. Definitely I would say 30 years and older to enjoy this, to appreciate this. And in terms of gender, definitely masculine, very masculine. This is almost uber masculine. And in terms of season, you can use it all year round. So in summer, it's got some freshness to it. In winter, it's got some depth and some spiciness to it as well. So you can use it all year round. And also in terms of occasion, this is very opulent. So it's very good for formal occasion, for evening, for close encounter, for meetings, for going somewhere that you need to be. The name is very appropriate in here. It's called Serious, and it is very serious perfume. So this is not a playful perfume. This is very serious. It's very classy. It's very sophisticated, and for that, it makes it very good for special occasions. Okay. Let me read you the ingredients, and we'll see what the ingredients was. Very hard. Even William Hunt's website, they didn't have it. It's just one place I found it. Let's see what they say. So it says on top we have citruses and juniper berries. Yeah, so it's a juniper berries, very apparent in here. In the mid we have floral and black pepper, and in the base we have tonka beans and woods. So the note breakdown is very minimalistic. I smell much more than that. When it says floral, forget the floral. The floral in here is more aromatic than floral. I'm smelling the lavender, definitely. I'm smelling maybe even violet leaf, yes, but there is no floral to giving a, say, like jasmine or rose, any of those. Okay, so there's not floral in that term. So the it opened up with the citrus, but the citrus are here are very subdued. So the main player when it opened up was the spices. Black pepper, big. Cumin, which is they're not mentioning, very very big, massive cumin in here. And the juniper berry giving that gin and tonic feel, a little bit of booziness, and also the aromatic, adds to the aromaticness of the lavender and maybe even violet leaf in here. The base says it's tonka bean. The tonka bean is not a typical tonka bean in here. It's not a modern tonka bean. It's a classic tonka bean. It's 60s and 70s tonka bean, which given a little bit of nutty, little bit of earthiness, but not much sweetness. So it's not much sweetness in here. I would say in terms of sweetness, it's very, very minimalistic, or maybe if you push it to moderate. Okay, minimalistic to moderate in terms of sweetness. So tonka bean in here is done in a way that it gives in it that earthy hint of earthiness, hint of nuttiness, and smooth ride with those, it says woods in here, which I'm smelling something like a combination of cedar and sandalwood, making it very very smooth overall with a tonka bean. So overall this is a very smooth fragrance, very spicy, boozy, woody, and very very aromatic, which is mainly coming from that juniper berry and lavender and violet leaf, which are not mentioning in here. So if you like what I describe, this is one of the best perfume out there in terms of that genre of perfumery, which is gentlemanly, sophisticated, classy, a classical feel to it, and very very mature and very complex in the same time. Okay, so if you like this kind of fragrances, this is one of the best out there. It's just mesmerizingly beautiful. And when I say beautiful, this is for me, for a middle-aged man. I've been around fragrances for a long time, so for me this is perfection in a bottle. I'll give it 10 out of 10 for that opening. Gorgeous, no qualm with it, no weakness in here. Perfumery top notch in terms of ingredients, top notch in terms of what they achieved, which is William Hunt, Savile Row, their reputation, plus this is serious side of them. This is delivering in a bucket. So it's delivering that classy, classical, and also a gentlemanly, very very sophisticated feel to it overall. So if you like what I described, this is an absolute gorgeousness. As I said, retails for £125, but you can find it discounted if you go online. There's not many people selling it for that price, under £60. Maybe one place, maybe two place. Just Google it and you'll come up. In United Kingdom I'm talking about. In other places obviously I don't have access to the other markets, so you need to search it yourself. If you're interested, if you're living in other countries and you're interested, go and search it if it comes up. It's not easy to find, but if you are patient and let's see how it goes anyway. But I highly recommend it. For first impression, if I had more than 2 thumbs up, I'll give it 10 thumbs up. It's superbly done, beautiful, very smooth, very rounded, very well done, very high perfumery, very high class, very good knowledge. Whoever done this perfume has got a very good knowledge of how to do classical fragrances, classy fragrances, sophisticated fragrances. This is sophistication in a bottle, as the name suggests. William Hunt Savile Row, serious. This is a very serious perfume for serious people to enjoy this perfume. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. This one, nowhere, not Fragrantica, no on Perfumo, no on any site. Nobody talked about this, which is a big shame. What a beauty. when we see a beauty like this, we have to appreciate it, to support them, to let them know that when you come up with a beautiful fragrance like this, we are going to support you by purchasing it. And it's a shame because probably it doesn't sell that much, and later on they're going to discontinue it or something like that. Anyway, so don't forget to hit those buttons. And also, if you want to purchase one of my own perfumes, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker. So true handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in the United Kingdom. I leave them in the link. They are ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money. They smell great, and they are very, very high class, and they are very sophisticated, and they are super strong because I'll put more than 60% perfume oil in them, and they are very bold and big, and very, very big personality. Plus the ratio for what you pay and what you get is one of the highest you can get. Thank you very much as always, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.